Alright guys, another episode on how to restore a mower today on the Wessex, and we get back to sanding them down. So I haven't been on it for like 2 weeks, but a lot to go I have. So yeah, the beast from the east is outside, so it's very windy. It was an ideal day to be in there in the shelter. Get on this. So it's fresh, yeah. An extra jacket colder today. Right, so it's sanding down now. The TA, 40, put a 40 on there. So I'll put 80, we've got new 80s. So we'll use the new 80 grits. Let's see what we can do now. Find some 40s, taking too long with it. Coming down, quite nice, gotta be honest. I'm not going to worry about too many marks in there. Notice it's a lot flatter than he originally was. You'd be surprised how thick I do the primer on there. So that'll build up a lot. First day back now, after the beast from the east. I'm a bit annoyed. I had it covered for this, which is really good quality. But there must have been a hole in there somewhere, soaking wet, look at it. So I got a litre on it now, so I'll dry it out and we'll get back on it now. I'll get this all rubbed down there. It did start a few days ago, so most probably that's the video you just saw, a bit of that. So I did nothing on Thursday, just it's really put a spanner in the works this weather. It's still outside. Like I said, we're on Tuesday morning. We've had lots of rain, a fair bit of sun, and it's still a fair bit, yeah. Anyway, guys, so I'll dry this off and we'll crack on with him. I'm going to get on this one now this week as well. I don't know where it all comes in. This snow is just blowing everywhere. It comes in where rain don't come in. Don't make sense, does it? I'm quite peed off, guys. I left my £130 sander under here and it's soaking wet. You can see the shine on it. So a bit of a tip, anything get wet, my fault, but I just thought it was, I had a cover over it, see, so I thought it was safe. Because I know it's a bit of a drip in there, but the snow just totally piled in here, loads of it. Anyway, anything that's wet, just dry it out first, not there again. Should have really dry the motor, dry the brushes and get that done. Just really get it nice and hot. Dry it all out, anything electrical, before you try switching it on, I'd really give it a good dry out. That's just my bit of tip there, it's always worked for me. Otherwise you could break the machine like. Put it on the stand with that. So as I said, give it a good dry out first. Then get down into the motor. Can't believe it, I always put it away, but I was washing this one day. It's the trouble. Just get the body hot and it should just dry out the inside then. All the switch on the back, variable speed this one. The actual switch goes back inside, it's not actually there. The inside of connection somewhere back there, I expect. You don't want to do that, I just burnt it. Oh. Don't need too much heat on it. Let's try that. It's nice and hot now, so I should have dried through. Plug him in. That's the trouble, see. These sheds, steel sheds, I guess, get so damp. I can't believe what I've just done. I just knackered this up. I'll show you when I do mistakes as well. I do things right. 130 quid. I put too much heat into it. Warmed that up there. Just got to be careful. And it's warmed up this wheel that much. It twisted the wheel, it shrunk the wheel, and the wheel had gone tight. The variable speed wheel. I tried cutting it with axle, I took it apart, and it still won't work. Well, it will go if you really force it, but I'm stuck on full speed now. So, I'm on a very good day for that way. 130 quid now, stuck on full speed. I have to leave it like that. Right, I sanded that down, because I'd be happy with that finish, honestly. The time I primed it for end of the year, I said I'll have a lot better than what it was originally like. So, and I changed my mind now. I'm just going to sand it down quick with the fibre disc, because it'll give us a different finish to what that's left, like a lot faster. I'll show what I mean now. And belt sand it all around the fiddly bits. And that's all it is then. We're ready for primer. We'll do our now. Quite a rough disc on there, like a 36 or 24. I'll rip it down fast. I think 36 I think. Smash them all down now. Trying to get back into it is after all this snow. Right, let's do this. Don't take too much off. Doesn't matter if you break through a bit. I can smooth it with a sander. That's alright. Yeah, we try to keep it as flat as we can. Don't matter if there's a slight edge on the front. What I could do now is put the DA over that there. Just to smooth it out of the way. We saved a lot of time now. I'm trying to DA it down. Yeah, so first of all, quickly knock it down with this. And we put the DA over there. Take out them nasty lines that's left off our fibre disc. $80 good it is, or 40, whatever you got. Watch the blades, they're a bit sharp. I'm not too worried under here for unbelievable finish. It was all primered heavy and flatten it down. Get it out of there. Looks a bit, we'll clean our line up there. Looks a bit scruffy. This might do, I know. just do this one side today, off on camera. I'll do this off camera. Take a bit of time. We'll show you the finish that I'm trying to get to before we paint. That's all. Just a quick rub on the car. Just DA this down now. Yeah. Bit awkward with the shape there. Put the new disc on. I might prime this 1/3 here because we've got the 3 sections. So I just finish this one quick, primer. I know this is one done in, and then we'll do it in stages like that. Because it's still a fair bit of work, each one. Going through the disc quite a lot, to be honest. I want to belt sand now, the corners, that I couldn't get with the sander. Just a light belt sand, not too much. Clean up all the joints. Yeah, so I'll do that bit for there. That bit for there. So we blow them all off now, and we prime this one section here. Yeah, so this video, the beginning of it will be before the beast of these comes, you'll see it, and obviously we're on Tuesday now, this is after it, and we get back into this. Blow them off a bit now, get a nice big juicy coat of primer on it, see how it looks. That's the one side. I'm not going to mess with it too much. Blow it again, I just clean that out. A few little marks like that there. When that's full of primer, that's going to be a hell of a lot better than when I first started. Like I said, no one will see under here. It's just going to be a bit smoother. So hopefully less chance of stuff sticking and easier to clean in as well. And everything being stuck in pits. I'll show what I mean now. We'll only get a coat, we'll roll it on now. Called a 2-pack primer, 2K primer. Right, here we are. We give it a bit of prime now. 2-pack primer. Mix it 4:1. Build it up nice and thick now. I'll put my mask on because it still gives off a fair bit of fumes. This 2-pack. So just still hear me alright. Nice and thick, build them up now. Right, there we go. See it right? It's not the best roller, we'll do it. two nice big coats, every coat like this. You want it fast, see, the roller, no masking. Easy, I find it. Only a few quid for the set of roller heads. Pile it on there, more the merrier, more the better. Fill any imperfections. Let's put some more on. So pile it up. Do the roller in the corners. Two quarts in there now. This is the third quart now. I can't even get my fingers to stay down. There's 3 on there on the back part, 3 on the bottom. That's nice and thick. You've got to DA it down with the sander, so that's smooth all out then. Ready for paint like. You pile it up, and then this is not going to go out. It drips. There we are, that's like 3 quarts on there. I know it's got bits of fluff off the roller, but when that's flattened down, I'll be 100% better than what it was when we first turned it over. You see the shine? So that's like, that'll go flat, I will now. Like self-leveling on the bottom. Not too, well, no ones really on there. Any ones, like I said, just knock them out. But that's another part done. So, I know I didn't get it down in there, but that don't matter, I can blow a bit in there, primer. I can blow a bit of primer down in there, or just put the paint down in there. That one next now. No, that one next, and we'll do the middle one last. So I'll do them in sections like that, same. I might just rub them down off camera, because it's a bit time consuming, I don't want it too boring for you. I just want to show you the procedure, pretty much real time. Like I said, a few pits over there on our one edge, but the rest of it is going to be nice. So, like I said, underneath, that's all we really want. And that's flattened down as well, like 240. So there's another episode done on how to restore the mower. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.